Hello friend, welcome to Asmat mobile zone. This mobile is Vivo Y12 V2033 Android 11. Please subscribe my channel. First to connect to Wi-Fi this device. Next is Wi-Fi connect and C network, add new network. This mic option 3 times. Mic option, mic, deny, again mic, deny, again mic 3 times. Code and this app information, Gboard, select permission and this search option, click search option and type setting, SETTINGS, settings. Last, setting app info, last one, setting app info, select and open, select shortcut and accessibility, shortcut and accessibility. Shortcut and accessibility, select accessibility. Accessibility menu, first select accessibility menu, allow, back this option, देखिए accessibility में option on, back, again back, connect, Wi-Fi connected, don't copy, this accessibility mode, cartoon, select and accessibility, select keyboard option, open, again setting, SETTINGS, type setting, search setting, and main menu, setting menu, apps and notification, see all apps and select Google, Android setup for stop, back and select Google Play service, disable app, back back, back, again back, back, and again next, allow, and don't copy, and next, and back, and next, and back, and this and option skip setup offline. Next, congratulations friend, this mobile is bypass FRP lock, but 2-3 more settings. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Shortcut accessibility off, back, and go to setting, apps, and notification, see all apps, and Google Play service enable, and Android system to okay friend, this mobile is complete bypass Vivo. Thank you so much watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.